Fall protection safety guidelines. Harness check. Before using, inspect your fall arrest harness for wear and damage. Harness fit. Make sure your harness fits well and all buckles, straps are adjusted right. Anchor points. Use certified anchor points that can hold at least 5,000 pounds per worker. Scaffold safety. Secure guardrails and check scaffold planking to prevent falls. Ladder stability. Place ladders on stable, level surfaces and secure them. Edge safety. Install guardrails or safety nets along edges where falls can happen. Rescue plan. Have a clear, practiced plan to rescue workers suspended in harnesses. Fall distance. Calculate total fall distance, including lanyard and deceleration device length. Roof work. Use fall protection systems near roof edges or on sloped roofs. Hole covers. Securely cover or guard holes, openings in floors, roofs. Equipment storage. Store fall protection gear properly to avoid damage, contamination. Harness use. Follow proper procedures for putting on, taking off harnesses. Ladder safety. Use 3-point contact on ladders and avoid overreaching. Scaffold access. Use ladders, stair towers to access scaffolds safely. Harness compatibility. Ensure all fall protection components are compatible and connected. Warning lines. Use warning lines to alert workers to unprotected edges. PFSUs. Know how to use. Maintain personal fall arrest systems. Harness, lanyard, anchor. Fall clearance. Understand. Clearance needed to prevent ground impact. Overhead. Safety. Secure tools, materials to prevent them from falling. Training. Only trained, certified personnel should set up use fall protection systems. If you found this safety video helpful, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more safety updates.